You know, when I am passing here, I am tempted to buy one of these clothes that they have here. Like that one, just $30. Sometimes they have $5 and it's very good looking still. Yeah, basically they are, if you see that, just $2. Children's, yeah, basically they are second hand use, but it's still good. That is for charity. Yeah, the same like that Red Cross shop. They are selling nice clothes. Okay, we are home. Yeah, it's already 1 o'clock. Yeah, today I sign out at 12 o'clock. Oh, it's 1 o'clock? I think it's wrong. Yeah, because I sign out at 1 o'clock. I remember. The time now is 2:07. Yeah, I need to adjust that one. It's wrong. Yeah. Yeah, it's yeah, from my workplace to here is just 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes if I come here straight. But like as always, I always bike around because that is like my way of relaxation. Oh, when I was in Dubai, so we finished like maybe 11 or yeah, if I work breakfast in Dubai, we finish at around 4. No, 3 o'clock. Usually 6 to 3. 6 to 3 hour duty in Dubai when I was working in breakfast. So 3 o'clock, and then we wait for the bus for our service, and then 30 minutes travel from the hotel to the accommodation. And once we get to the accommodation, we are free from maybe 4 o'clock, so we can, yeah, there is swimming pool in the accommodation. Also, it's near to the beach, so you can take a service, go into the next other hotel, and go to the beach or go to the mall. Go to the, yeah, go anywhere. That is how it is in Dubai. Yeah, in Dubai we work long hours. I'm hungry actually. I ate last night the pizza, if you remember the pizza. I ate it last night, so I don't have food today. I don't know what I am going to eat. Yeah, I don't have income. Okay, so I just cooked the rice, but I actually don't have any food in here. Let me show you this. Yeah, I have this taro leaves, but yeah, I want to cook it with meat, maybe pork, and I don't have. This, it takes time to prepare. This is mung beans. Oh, maybe this one, but I don't have any. Oh yeah, this one. I'll cook this one. And look at this, because in the freezer I don't have also. I have just, oh yeah, this is for the standby. This and this. But if you look at my freezer, I have just 2 bread, and oh, the ice is dissolved. And in here I have just this tomato, 1 piece of egg, and I still have this expired yogurt. This is unopened. I don't know if this is still good. Yeah, unopened expired yogurt, and the rest are just water. Yeah. So tomorrow I am going to the grocery. What should I eat? Tell me, what should I eat here in Australia? I can afford to buy the things, but yeah, just I'm just so used of eating the usual food that I eat. And yeah, I don't want to explore food because I don't want to waste food. I mean, if I explore new food and I don't know the taste, maybe I don't like the taste, and that is going to be just wasted, and I don't want that to happen. Anyway, I'm going to cook this. So this is going to be stir fry noodles. I'll just wait for that to boil, and then I will put this. So this is what I have. Yo, good afternoon guys. This is another windy day. I wish I didn't take off my trouser. Yeah, it's really cold. Yeah, look at this. Fell off. And today we are going to the grocery. If you remember yesterday, I don't have any food. And I have this. But since I left the hotel, my workplace, I don't see people wearing a mask. Okay, we're going to take one of this minced beef. It is expensive, look at that, $8.50, 500 grams. We are also going to take one of this 500 grams chicken steer for steer, $8.50. And the same like always, we are going to take one of this egg at $3.50, 1 dozen. There we go again. If you remember these sardines, this $2.80. The same like this, $2.80. There is another one here, $1.90. But yeah, there is another one, just 75 cents. So we're going to take again this. I take 2 pieces. This tuna, I know this even before. Yeah, that is just 90 cents. And I'm going to take 2. And because this siomai is 50% discount again, from $5, it is now just $2.50. So we're going to take 2. That's it. I'll be coming back maybe tomorrow again. Yeah, I got everything in my backpack. We can't really stay outside longer because the wind is not comfortable to the skin.